Hey there, and welcome to the 34th episode of the Daily Shed. And today I'm showing how I use my thumb to block out strings. I basically use it as an anchor on a string, and above that I'm doing strumming or whatever else I need to do. But it works really well. It means that you don't have to worry about those other strings at all. Your fingers can just go crazy or do whatever they have to do. I'm going to show you a few examples of this. One is the intro to Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. I'm resting my thumb on the G string in this case, or basically between the G and the D strings, but right on top of the G. So that's muted, and then leaving the B and the E strings totally free. So the intro, which I'm harmonizing in thirds, goes like this. Okay, and I'm doing down and up strokes with my index finger here. You can, if you're just doing downstrokes, it's fine. If you're doing upstrokes, it works too. But the point is, with your thumb resting there, you don't have to worry about the other strings at all. It makes it very, very clean because you don't have to worry about the G string or the D string or anything else coming in there. So really useful for that. There's a song of mine called Over and Over Again. Now I'm resting my thumb on the D string, and I'm just playing on the G, B, and E strings. Again, it's a very clean thing. So you can see how clean it is. I'm not worrying about the bottom strings at all, and I can even throw in, this little kind of flamenco touches there, without having to worry about the other strings ringing. So I use this all the time, especially for sort of intros to songs. It's also can be nice when you're soloing, especially if you do what I do, where I'm playing fingerstyle, obviously, but I use my index finger kind of like a pick. You can even do this resting on the B string and have your E string be totally open, so you can do things like these fast kind of tremolo things, and all you're doing is playing the one string. You don't have to worry about. You basically don't have to worry about trying to mute or aim on the other strings. You're just going on the one string. Again, I use this all the time. I find it a very useful technique. This definitely applies to fingerstyle. If you're doing picking fingers, even picking fingers or pick won't really work for fingerstyle, especially if you do what I do and you're doing down and up strokes with your index finger. Even just upstrokes, I think you'll find this useful. So let me know any questions or comments you might have, and as always, thank you so much for watching.